Hey guys, welcome back to RAD TV, and today we're making homemade pizza.
Okay, so the ingredients you need are oil,
any kind will do.
Yes, flour, sugar,
Yeast,
we put this in the fridge, and some salt.
and some
that's
water.
all you need. And some water. We're gonna start making it. First, we are going to do what Musa, because he knows, believe it or not, we made this recipe so much that Musa knows the recipe by heart, which is like crazy.
Okay, so we're gonna need 2.5 cups of flour.
2.5 cups of flour. Make a level like this.
Okay.
Perfectly level.
It's okay though. Okay.
Now we need a half.
So now what we need is
Some
a
yeast.
teaspoon of yeast.
Teaspoon of yeast.
Okay, I can do this without that.
Nothing came out. The yeast in there.
Okay, so we're gonna need 1/4 cup of sugar. Any sugar, just not
1/4
powdered
cup.
sugar. And the sugar is for flavor.
Now what I mean. Oh wait, let me guess. Half a 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, too much.
That's good.
Two. Okay.
Now let's whisk this.
Now the wet ingredients.
Okay, so for the wet ingredients, we're gonna need some water and oil.
Still not warm.
That's 1 and 2.
1 cup of water.
Okay, now switch to the spatula and pour
And
in
pour it
at
in?
least half
Yes.
of it. Gonna do it in little quantities.
That should be good. A little bit more.
And you wanna fold it. You don't wanna stir it. And once all the water is in the flour, then you can add the rest.
So now we're gonna add the rest.
Okay.
Should be good.
And if it doesn't turn out right, you can add either more flour or more water.
Okay, I think that's pretty well mixed. It's pretty sticky, see? See how it's a little sticky?
And once we mix that all together, it's gonna be perfect. Okay, the flour surface. This is where it gets a little messy. And by little, I mean a lot.
Put a lot on there. Okay. Now we're gonna slap this pizza dough right on there. Put it out like this, and you go like this, and you go in. And like that. Keep on going.
So you keep folding it over itself and pushing it in. And you guys use the heel of your hand.
Oh, I need to roll up my sleeves.
Yeah.
See how it's sticking together perfectly? It's not so sticky anymore, see?
And guys, you're probably like, wait, that's so small. This thing's gonna rise to be at least like
Double its size.
double its size.
Get all this flour off of your countertop so your mom doesn't get mad.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's good.
on,
Roll it into a ball.
So you want to slap it down a little bit and then go under.
Okay,
Now see.
this is the test.
Well, that comes
perfect.
that comes straight up.
Okay, so let's oil the bowl a little bit.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
A little bit, just to get it a little bit lubed up. Okay, so once that's in there, you just get it.
Okay.
Plop that thing right in the middle.
So let it rest for 1 hour and it's gonna double in size. So we're just gonna put this, actually dampen your towel just a little bit. It's like, so you want your towel to be damp so your pizza will rise a lot more. So this needs to rise for 1 hour, but we don't have 1 hour. So YouTube magic, let's see if it worked. See guys, just by putting a damp towel, it worked. Look how much. It's 2 times as big. It used to be half of this. So now we're going to flour a little bit more. I just want this to be good right there. That's good. And now we're gonna take the pizza dough out.
It's perfect.
Perfect right there. And I want this to be a thick crust because I love thick crust. You have to get it almost cracker thin.
As thin as you can, because it is gonna rise.
Middle? I think that's a little, I think you need a little more.
Yeah.
Okay, that should be good. And we put the cheese. That's some mozzarella provolone. Gonna get the cheese. Handful.
Ooh, that looks good.
Okay guys, we're gonna put this pizza into a 375-degree oven for about 15 or 18 minutes.
Put it in.
Okay. Okay guys, you might need a little bit of parental supervision with that, but we're the professionals, so we know what we're doing. Now, we just gotta wait. Hey, what if we do that jumping thing? Maybe the pizza will cook faster.
That's worth it. Try.
Okay, ready? What? The pizza's done! Let's eat! Okay, we're gonna cut it first.
It's so fluffy.
And guys, when I said I like a thick crust, I like a thick crust. Now, let's see that cheese pull.
Do it to that side. Ready?
Guys, look at this slice of pizza. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, a huge thumbs up. It's really good. Because this pizza is so good and amazing, you guys have to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on that bell notification button so you know when we make a new video. And have a rad day. Bye.